Okay, thank you, Mr. Melvin, for coming to DTI-CX 2025. And I have 5 questions for you. For the first question, how do you see the role of IT evolving in Indonesia's digital ecosystem, particularly in accelerating information across key industries like manufacture, logistic, and smart cities?
Okay, so thank you for having me today. That's actually a great question. So since I'm looking at the IoT, start from there, right? So what is actually IoT? IoT is actually basically connecting things to the intelligence. So things, it can be from sensors to tractors to video analytics to cameras to all sort of things, right? Which is applicable in logistics, in smart cities, in transport stations, manufacturing, even mining, oil and gas, you can name it. And in order to do that, from what Indosat perspective, and going back to the Internet of Things, so it's connecting things to intelligence. Intelligence and can be artificial intelligence running in the clouds or running into the edge, where it's close to where the data is generated and consumed. So what Indosat provided first is about the critical communications part for connecting to your Internet of Things. So from either on the public sites using 4G or 5G or private sites. So I was just a speaker a while ago looking at from mining sectors, because typically mining is happening in the remote area, which typically you don't have connectivity. But what Indosat can provide is we bring in the fiber connectivity into the sites and build like private network, whether it's 4G or 5G for the sites. And why do you need to do that? A lot of these applications running in the mines actually require very short bandwidth but high data rates. And also because mines are expanding, whether it's open mine or actually deep under tunnel mines. So the system needs to be dynamic enough to expand accordingly. So if you only have deployed fibers there, first, because all the vibration is easy to break. Second, you need a private network can actually help us expand it accordingly. So that's one of the angles how us as a telco supporting IoT in those segments.
Okay, thank you. For the next question, what are some of the biggest challenges in implementing large scales of solution in Indonesia? And how is Indosat addressing this challenge?
Okay. So I think one of the, because I've been working in like 4 different continents, 8 different countries, and addressing like the 40 to 15 different markets, I've seen a lot of IoT actually evolve. I think one of the fundamentals actually changing of the mindsets, the thought leaderships. A lot when you're talking to the COO, the CTO, the CIO, the CEO, it was like, okay, this is working. Why I need to invest this much of money to do the transformation? But as technologies are evolving, we need to create a lot of efficiency and effectiveness in the mining or any of the industry require IoTs. A lot of interruptions of either manufacturing of semiconductors, electronics, or mining or oil and gas. It's because of accidents or unforeseen interruptions. By implementing Internet of Things into the things, you'll be able to understand the real-time effect on the systems. And then when you actually implement Internet of Things on the workers or assets or fleets, you know where are the workers, where are the fleets, where are they going, or even if there's any accident, you can actually prevent it accordingly. We recently launched what we call Vision AI. It's basically video analytics connected into intelligence. We'll be able to demonstrate multiple use cases, whether on fleets, on assets, or persons, and be able to create much more insight in addressing all the rapid changes. And all of this data you can even implement into digital twins, which is simulation of the physical and the digital twins to bring more efficiencies. So us in Indosat will be very happy to address our customer if they have questions related to how execute digital transformation and how we Indosat can help everyone.
Okay, thank you. For the next question, can you share how Indosat is working with the government or enterprise partners to develop scalable and secure and impactful IoT infrastructure nationwide?
Okay, so I'll start from the government side. So actually we have a couple of projects working with some of the government sectors, specifically looking in the smart city and transport sectors, how they're using our Vision AI to be able to identify and improve the efficiency of traffic. but also looking in the other area, looking from city planning, ESG, sustainability, environmental impact, together with command centers. So I cannot name names yet, but we've been working very closely with government how to actually addressing on smart city sites. For enterprises, I mentioned a while ago, with customers from education, from manufacturing, from plantations, from oil and gas mining, transport sectors, that we're using IoT, and on top of it, other data analytics and AI technology to addressing their needs. And similarly, it's about how to create more insights about the real system, how people are flowing around, to actually create a more effective, efficient system to addressing everyone's needs.
Okay, thank you, sir. We already talked about the Indosat. Then the last question, from your perspective, how important are platform like DTI-CX atau Digital Transformation Indonesia in driving awareness, partnership, and innovation within the IoT and broader the tech ecosystem?
Okay, I think event like this is very important, especially looking into Indonesia digital transformation journeys, right? So, and I keep saying IoT or technology in general, it's a huge ecosystem. No single entity can address thing all. So we need device makers, we need system integrators, we need technology providers, we need telco providing communication. We also require government to come in with a good policy, academia for the research, startups, incubator, accelerators, everyone come into the play to addressing this one. So I think there's no better forum than today, the IXTs, looking into bringing everyone together, showcasing, and have a fruitful discussion on how to bring the digital transformation forward. So that's my humble opinions.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Melvin. I hope we can see you again in DTI-CX 2026.
For sure, I'm looking forward for that. Thank you.
Thank you.